Summit Point Raceway, Formula V, very tight grid. We're 6th. Let's see if we can make any progress. And not get taken out, of course.
Green flag, green flag.
That's the most important thing. Okay, well, I don't know what's happened to that guy, but he's dropping back.
Right side. Still there.
Okay, this doesn't look good. At
Keep
least
to
on
the
the
left.
outside.
You're on the left. 3 wide. Right
Yeah, I
side,
could see him
2
coming.
wide. Clear on the right.
Bloody hell. We've dropped back a bit. We've dropped back a lot.
Stay on the left. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right.
Okay, he's backed out of it. That's good. We did pick up the slipstream and we'll be okay. As he doesn't try anything silly.
There's an incident ahead. Car right. Clear.
Okay. We're with them. We'll be with them on the straight. That's the important thing.
Sorry, man, sorry.
Okay, we're following Nelson. So we should be all right. So we've got a slipstream. We were getting past Nelson actually. I think he's a bit slow.
36.194.
Okay.
Car on your left. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the left. Car on your left. Clear.
Was there contact there? Looks like there was for some reason.
There's an incident
A
behind.
pile up behind, so I don't know what that was about.
10
Need to catch these guys ahead. Hopefully they'll be slow through there because they're side by side.
Right side. Stay on the left. Your car looks fine. No damage to report. Stay on the left. Clear.
Okay, we're back with them. Put this guy behind, didn't he? We're in the slipstream, or were in the slipstream, I think. Just about. Just about. Yeah, we are. We've got a good run along here.
The next car's the leader.
There we
On
go.
your left. Clear on the left.
Very good run. Okay, so can we settle in now? Now I'm back to 6th where I started.
7, 5.
What do we think?
Car on your left. Clear. Go
Okay.
right.
There goes one anyway. Guy behind's quick because he's got my slipstream.
Right side. Clear on the right.
Not a place I want to overtake, really. All over me, this guy. I don't know why. Let's just follow. And we'll keep with him. He seems very keen to get by for some reason.
Right side.
That guy's had a bit of a mare, hasn't he?
Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right. Right side.
And so have we.
Keep to the left.
I'm not going to push to bump to pass.
Stay on the left. 27.4.
Okay, so we're all slipstreaming.
You're in 5th. Car right. Clear on the right.
Okay. Can't get away in a slipstream race like this. We just have to follow and see where it takes us. See if we're there or thereabouts at the end. And don't get taken out. That's the key. Don't hit anyone. Don't get hit. That's what I'm trying to do. Braking early.
Go right, left side. Go
Yeah,
right.
could see those
Clear.
two.
The next car's the leader.
Okay, the third. Now, if this yellow car can get the slipstream, and we can get his slipstream, okay. I think he is. I think he's just about getting there, and I'm there, and we've dropped the guy behind, so this could be it.
1.2.
This could be it. This could be the top three, and then it's just about who's 1, 2, and 3. I'm not going to battle this guy. I want him to catch up. It's not. Oh, is he getting there?
Pitting. 28.
Yeah, we're getting there now.
2, 6. You're now in third. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 26.986.
Okay, let's just keep away from that guy behind. 1.6, 1.5. Got him to catch, really. I'm going to just let this these two get away. If all three of us can get away, that's all I want. Let's do that. I think we have, yeah. I think we have. That should be it now.
Go left. The next car.
Right, I need the slipstream now.
Bro, what the fuck are you doing looking after you bro,
5
you get in
minutes
an
to go.
accident, just accept it, bro. Fuck you.
Okay, we're out the slipstream, but have we got the pace to catch him? He's got no slipstream, nor have I, so can I go quicker than him?
Man, you're gonna
That is the
fucking get a
question.
report, bro. What the fuck? Sorry, sorry, nothing, bro. Fuck you.
Oh dear, oh dear. They're not happy. Okay, so we're far enough away from the guy behind. I've got to catch this guy in front. I'm going to have to push a bit.
1.162. You're in second position right
What?
now.
What? What of what, bro? You're gonna get a fucking report.
I think we're far enough away from the guy behind. The guy in front is quick, isn't he? Bloody hell. He's getting away from me. I have to try a bit harder here. He's going quicker than me, isn't he? I can't keep up with him. And the guy behind's a little bit quicker as well. Damn. Thought I might be able to keep up. But I'm not. It's a bit of annoying, isn't it? Closing a little bit here, but not much.
97. The leader is running 27.051.
Yeah, he's going quicker than I can go. Yeah, much quicker. He's quicker than me through there. That's where I'm losing it. Okay, well. How much risk do I take? Do I want to dig deep and go after him? Yeah, let's go after him. Let's really push. Let's really push and see what we can do then. That's not working now, is it? And the guy behind's catching. Oh, as soon as he gets in the slipstream, that's it. I've had it. I'll be battling him. Oh, it's got to be flat out. Can't afford to ease off there. Yeah, I'm getting away from the guy behind on the straight, just.
27.337.
I'm losing a lot of time here, aren't I? This is where I'm losing it. He's getting closer, that guy behind. How long have we got? This is going to be white flag next time around, I think. Just don't have it. I don't think I've got it.
White flag this time.
White flag. He's in the slipstream, so he's going to be on me. I mean, we're catching this guy because he went wide there, but I don't think we're going to catch him enough.
7.146.
Oh, bloody hell.
About 5 laps of fuel.
Guy behind's gone quickest out of anyone.
3. Just set the fastest lap. 26.817.
He's right with me. Look at that. Ah. He's in the slipstream now. He's going to get a run to the line, I think. That's what's going to happen. That's what I'd be thinking if I was him. Thinking, let's do a run to the line. Although he's coming quickly, isn't he?
Car on your left. Clear.
He's bloody fast. Okay, well, he's going to go, I think.
Side. Still there.
And I'm going to let him go.
Clear
I'm
on
going to have to
the
run to the line.
right. Car right.
Oh, have I got enough?
Still there. Hold the
Oh.
line.
Well done.
Checkered
Bugger.
flag. Checkered flag.
Bugger. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. Sixth
Nice
to
run.
third.
Solid work.
Could have been second. Just didn't quite have the pace. I'm normally pretty quick round here, but didn't quite have it. Anyway, let's have a look at those. Incidents. Here's the start then. So the guy ahead of me didn't really get away, and then he seemed to miss a gear just there, and I sort of got past. Yeah, it was going okay, wasn't it? But I thought I'll be careful coming into this corner. So I'm on the outside. I could see people sort of die. Well, I mean, bloody hell. Where did he come from? He launched it, didn't he? Crikey. So that gave us a bit of trouble. Anyway, where were the incidents? What have we got then at the front? It's the same guy, isn't it? He just he launched up the inside of me, and he's launched it into the back of that guy. Anyway. Okay, so he hit my wheel. I didn't touch him, and then there was a crash behind, completely separate. And then what happened? And this is the leading pack, isn't it? So they're all going up his inside. Yeah, I mean, you should have given him space. And then what happened? I think we've already gone through, haven't we? Yeah, and then yeah, just a mistake. Went in too quick. There's me going through. And then what have we got? This is a bit further. Oh my God. Yeah, bad driving that was. Well, not too bad. For rookies, not too bad. Anyway, let's look at the results. So that was top split out of 10. Got a good bit of safety rating. Well, I can say a good bit. A little bit of safety rating. Nice bit of high rating. Want to get back up to 3K if I can. So 26.8, 26.9. I couldn't break the 26s. Maybe if I'd had a slipstream, I could have gone a bit quicker. But yeah, I think that was with a slipstream. I did that lap. I was doing 27.3s, wasn't I? So yeah, didn't quite have it. But good fun. Enjoyed it. Glad to... I mean, he came from 11th, look, at the start. He was 3rd at the start. Yeah, some people were just unlucky, weren't they? Poor old pole sitter and 2nd place all the way back down there. But anyway, yeah, good race. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.